The market is alive. It breathes, it surges and retreats. Fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Traders, like conductors, strive to orchestrate their moves in harmony with the market's rhythm. One such trader, a student named DeMarco, recently took center stage. He dared to play the US30 and emerged victorious with a $2,000 profit. DeMarco's success is a testament to the power of discipline and strategy. In the chaotic symphony of the market, he found his rhythm, he listened to the signals, he followed his plan, and in doing so, he transformed his trading aspirations into a tangible reality. DeMarco's journey is an inspiration for aspiring traders everywhere. It proves that with the right knowledge and mindset, anyone can learn to navigate the complexities of the market and achieve their financial goals. His story is a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards trading success. The US30, also known as the Dow Jones Industrial Average, is a collection of 30 major American companies. It is a powerful indicator of the overall health of the U.S. stock market. Trading the US30 requires a keen understanding of its movements and the factors that influence its direction. DeMarco approached the US30 with careful analysis. He studied the charts, identifying key support and resistance levels. These levels acted as potential turning points for the price. He looked for signals like candlestick patterns and moving average crossovers to confirm his trading decisions. He didn't rely on guesswork or emotions. Instead, he followed a systematic approach, using technical analysis to guide his trades. This disciplined approach allowed him to enter and exit the market with precision, maximizing his profit potential and minimizing his risk. DeMarco's trade unfolded with the precision of a well-rehearsed performance. He entered a long position when the US30 bounced off a key support level. This bullish signal, combined with positive indicators, gave him the confidence to buy. He set his profit target and stop-loss order, predefining his risk and reward. As the market moved in his favor, DeMarco remained calm and collected. He didn't let greed or fear dictate his actions. He trusted his strategy and let the trade play out. When the price hit his profit target, he exited the trade, securing a $2,000 profit. This victory wasn't a result of luck. It was the culmination of DeMarco's dedication to learning and mastering the art of trading. It demonstrated the effectiveness of following a proven strategy and managing risk responsibly. His success serves as a powerful reminder that consistent profits in trading are achievable through hard work and discipline. Section 4. Mastering the Defense VPS and SMS Alerts. In the world of trading, staying informed is crucial. Every second counts. Missing a critical market movement can mean the difference between profit and loss. That's where tools like VPS and SMS Alerts come into play. VPS, or Volume Price Analysis software, provides traders with real-time insights into market activity. It helps identify buying and selling pressure, giving traders an edge in understanding market sentiment. SMS alerts, on the other hand, act as a trader's personal assistant. They send instant notifications to mobile devices, ensuring traders never miss a beat. DeMarco utilized these tools effectively. VPAS helped him confirm his trading decisions by providing a deeper understanding of market dynamics. SMS alerts kept him informed about his trades, even when he was away from his computer. These tools empowered him to stay in control of his trading activity, maximizing his efficiency and minimizing his risk. Section 5. Join the orchestra. Your trading journey begins today. DeMarco's story is an inspiration, but it's just the beginning. The world of trading is vast and full of opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. You too can achieve success in the market with the right tools, knowledge, and support. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Embrace the challenge. Surround yourself with a community of like-minded individuals who understand the journey. Take advantage of educational resources and support systems available to help you succeed. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But with dedication and perseverance, you can master the art of trading and achieve your financial goals. Take the first step today. Your trading journey awaits.